Okay, so this is a related rates problem for calculus. So our problem is a big block of ice is in the shape of a perfect cube. As it melts, each edge of the cube is decreasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute. At what rate is the ice cube's surface area changing, volume changing when the edge of the ice cube is 80 centimeter? Okay, so before we proceed with our problem, drawing muna natin yung ating structure. So let's say ito yung perfect cube natin. Hindi perfect. Hindi siya mukhang perfect ko. Sorry. Okay, so that would be our perfect cube. Ngayon, ang given sa problem ay sinabi daw na the edge of the ice cube, yan, the ice cube is 80 centimeter. Yan yung haba ng bawat edge niya. 80 centimeter. Now, equal lahat yan since perfect cube naman siya. So, it is composed of 6 squares. Ngayon, i-denote natin tong haba ng edges as x. So, x is equal to 80 centimeter. Ngayon, para mas maintindihan natin yung problem, let's say na ito yung ice cube. Ngayon, dahil mainit yung panahon, nagme-melt siya. So, habang nagme-melt siya, lumiliit siya ng lumiliit. Lumiliit yung ating ice cube. Ngayon, habang lumiliit yan, syempre lumiliit din yung kanyang mga sides or yung kanyang mga edges. So, yung rate of change daw nung pagliit ng kanyang edges base sa problem natin, which is ito, 2 cm per minute. Yan yung rate of change nung edges. Yan yung rate ng pagliit niya. Yan o, di ba lumiliit siya? From this, naging ganito siya. Tapos magiging ganito. So, yung magiging rate niyan is 2 cm per minute. Now, since paliit siya ng paliit, magiging negative to. Dahil pabawas ng pabawas yung sizes nung edges nung ating ice cube. Dahil nga natutunaw siya. And this can be denoted as the change of x with respect to time is equal to negative 2 centimeter over or per minute. Now, after natin ma-identify ang ating mga given, we can now find a formula in order to solve this problem or paano mahanap natin yung surface area. Yung rate ng surface area, yung pagbago niya. So, we can use the formula of surface area itself, which is S is equal to 6x squared. Now, dito sa formula na to, we can just take the derivative of both sides. So, the derivative of ds is simply ds dt is equal to, what is the derivative of 6x squared? That would be 12x. And the derivative of x with respect to time is dt, dx dt. So, this would be our equation na kinuha natin yung derivative niya with respect to time. Ngayon, gamit tong equation na to, gamit yung equation na yan, pwede natin i-substitute to dito. So, try na natin. So, ds dt is equal to 12 times x. What is the value of x? That would be 80 times dx dt. That would be negative 2. Now, the value of ds dt or the change of surface area with respect to time would be negative 1920 cm squared per minute. And that's it. That's our answer. Yung change daw ng surface area habang nag-change yung edge natin ng 2 cm per minute, like nagdi-decrease, is negative 1920 cm squared per minute. So, i-visualize natin yun. Anong ibig sabihin nun? So, ito yung structure natin. Lumiliit siya ng lumiliit. Ayan, lumiliit siya ng lumiliit. Ngayon, tong mga sides, yung rate of change nila is negative 2 cm per minute. Along by the change in the surface area by negative 1920 cm squared per minute.